The signal here is weak, but the structural integrity reads critical. Copy that. Let's start with the perimeter scan.
All right, team. Flashlights on. Let's move. The breach is here. Stay clear of the outer wall. Watch your step on the glass. The primary stress points are consistent. Confirmed. We're looking at a major structural failure here. We need to secure the perimeter now. On it.
Keep searching.
The rebar is completely exposed here. This entire section is compromised and needs immediate shoring up. Agreed. I'm noting the extent of the failure here. The damage is extensive. It'll take months to clear the sand. Water damage is everywhere. The structure is compromised here. We'll need reinforced bracing.
I agree. Double the load capacity.
Bring that case to the main entrance. Roger that. Watch your step. Let's keep it moving, people.
Team A to the lobby, power washers on the left.
Scaffolding arriving now. Move it quickly.
Mark that done. We need to clear the central plaza. Secure your belts. The pumps are working, but look at the state of these tiles.
Okay, this is worse than we thought.
Almost there.
Keep going.
Just a little more. Let's finish the terrace by sundown.
Right, more water over here.
Watch the edge, it's crumbling.
Sector B needs immediate debris removal. Copy that. Moving to Sector B. Check the glass railings here. Unstable. Hold it tight. Almost there. Ready for the next one. Severe spalling and crystallization. Structural integrity is compromised here. We need immediate reinforcement.
Hold it steady. Got it. Just a little more. Done. Done.
Stop the crane. Hold steady. Now lower just a few more feet. Right there, secure it.
All right, team, let's secure this one. Oh, locking it in, boss. Drive it home. Good. Moving to the next. Be careful with that. Slowly. Watch your step. Just a little further.
Keep your head down. Sparks are flying up. Got it.
All right, grab the edges and lift.
Careful now.
Set it down slow.
Next one.
Tightening it now. Steady, hold it tight. Just a bit more. It's holding. Done. It's stable.
Keep pushing. Over here. Over here. Watch the angle, lower. Clear the path. Keep those beams straight. We're not rebuilding this whole thing again. Copy that. All right, secure the flange there, mate. The stress test passed on the main hub. Good. Let's install the primary stabilizers now. Verified. Ensure proper alignment at all connection points.
The finish is exquisite. We've ensured every detail meets your specifications. Continue the polish on the upper sections.
Keep pushing. Slow, slow. Almost there.
Watch the frame.
Yes, right there. Perfect.
The quality is excellent right here.
Okay. We're replacing them with the highest grade materials.
Perfect. We need it to last. Make sure the mixture isn't too thick. It needs to be just right.
Yes, sir. Understood. Adjusting it now.
The primary trunk connects here? Yes, I see it. We need to run the feeder from the attic down to the main panel, right through this corridor. It's a tighter run than expected, but feasible.
Excellent. The new lighting is installed. Perfect.
The work is nearly done. Look at that view. Absolutely magnificent.
Stage the carpets here, then the light fixtures on this side.
Acknowledge, boss. Moving the furniture now.
Check the manifest again, ensure everything is accounted for.
Yes, sir. All items are here.
It's finished. Finally finished. Keep the pace. Yes, boss, boss. Yes, boss. Precise alignment on the seams. Look at that. Incredible. We did it. Workers, amazing.
Keep pushing.
Almost there.
All right, hold it steady. Got it. A little higher. There, lock it in. Looks perfect. Keep it steady. Tighten that joint. Hand me the next fixture. Almost there, just a bit more left. Watch your step. The molding fits perfectly.
Tighten the left side.
Slow and steady.
Watch the weight. Almost there, push it up. Keep going, it's almost there. Watch the corner. Looking good, keep pushing.
All right, over here.
Push it left. Ready? Pull, everyone.
Just a little further to the left.
See?
Check the alignment on this edge.
Got it. Does that feel stable?
Perfect. Looks ready.
All right, slowly, watch the bottom edge. Take your time, keep it level. Check the seal here, just a little more. Perfect. Looks good, let's step back. Hold that steady. Got it. Perfect. Looks secure down here.
All right, time for the test. It's working. Looks good.
All right, over here.
Careful with the table.
Looks good. Let's move that lamp.
The palm looks perfect there.
Yeah.
The bromeliad adds a nice pop of color.
Careful with the water, Mark.
Spectacular. Spectacular. It's exactly how I envisioned it.
The restoration is complete.
It's exactly as we envisioned.
Truly magnificent.
Almost there. A little higher. Perfect. Go!
Looks perfect.
Great job, team.
The arrangements are perfect.
Excellent. Excellent work.
Excellent work. We are ready for the guests.
Almost there. A little to the left. Perfect.
Perfect. Absolutely perfect.
Keep it tight on your side.
Ready? Let's smooth this out.
Ah, perfect. It's beautiful. Ready to relax?
Precision in every detail.
The edge is perfectly aligned.
Exactly the quality we demanded.
Excellent. Move the last two here. Perfect. It's beautiful.
Ensure the joinery is flawless.
It's perfect, just as you requested.
Good. Now let's install the facing to the ocean.
The perimeter along the inner edge. Check the connections here and here. Perfect. Power them on now. Perfect. The pool is ready.
The transformation is complete. It's paradise.
Keep scraping and there's still too much algae. Move those debris bags faster. The alignment needs to be exactly at this seam, ensuring a perfect line throughout. Understood, we'll adjust immediately.
The seamless blend with the ocean is critical.
Yes. Almost done here, boss.
Ensure the stone aligns precisely with the horizon.
The wiring looks unstable. Adjusting now, sir. Better. Power on. Approved.
It's finally happening.
Looking good. Pumps are holding. Keep it tight on the seam. Move it just a fraction to the left. Perfect. Okay, next piece.
Got it, boss.
And you two, place those beds precisely there, facing the sun.
Excellent work. The layout is perfect.
Thank you, sir.
We made sure every cushion was in place.
It's more beautiful than I ever imagined. Yes, the vision is truly complete.
Keep it moving, team. The sun's setting.
Roger that.
That top section needs another pass.
On it.
Excellent. The final piece is perfectly placed. We ensured absolute precision. Yes! We did it! Bravo! Unbelievable!
Wow, this place is incredible.
Welcome, sir. Allow me to assist you.
Thank you, it's breathtaking.
Welcome, madam. Right this way.
welcome to the Grand Palladium. How may we assist you today?
Good afternoon. I have a reservation under the name Davis.
I have a reservation under Smith. Oh, yes, Mr. Smith, here is your key card.
Thank you so much. Enjoy your stay. Here is your tropical delight. Thank you. It looks amazing. The ambiance here is absolutely magical. I've never seen a more beautiful dinner setup.